If you want to access and play out videos and audio inside of Microsoft Windows 11, then what you can simply do is you can go around, navigate around to the folder where you have the file stored. So in my case, it's in this PC right here, in my YouTube drive right here. I'm going to go around over here onto a folder called videos. So you can see that there are some videos right here. If you want to play them, simply double click, and what happens is that they get played out in the default video application, as you can see right here. But what if you want to play the video out in different application? In that case, what you have to do is you have to right click on the video file right here, and you have an option called open with. So you can choose another video player of your choice. Let's say, for example, you want to use Windows Media Player. You can click on this, and what happens is that now the video plays out in Windows Media Player. So over here, you can see that this is my first time running. So you have to set up something right here. So once we do that, you can see that now the video plays in Windows Media Player. Similarly, you can go around, close the video out. And if you want to play the video out using another video player, you go to open with. So I'm going to go around into VLC Media Player right here. So once I do that, you can see that now the video plays with this. Similarly for audio as well. So I'm just going to go around over here onto the audio part right here. So once I go into audio, you can see that there's some audio clips right here. So I'm just going to right click over here, go to open with. So similarly, you can choose out a music player. So group music is the default one. So if I were to double click on this, it opens up. And it plays out with group music. But if I were to go around and click on open with VLC Media Player, it plays around with VLC Media Player, as you can see right there. And that is how you can open up audio and video files inside of Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.